Hello, everyone. Welcome to another session of our Health Talk today. My name is Choma Liu. So, today I'll be discussing an important topic. In fact, it's a topic that most of us we ignore so much, and that topic is self-medication. A lot of us, so many of us, we are found guilty when it comes to self-medication. Sometimes you feel somehow, you have headache, or you have fever, or you are weak, or you are down. Before you know it, you are up from your bed, straight to the pharmacy. You get medications by yourself, you self-prescribe, then you get them and start taking this medication. So self-medication is an habit people have been practicing or doing or engaging in that is very detrimental to our health. Now, I'll be starting with a simple definition of self-medication. Self-medication is the act or is the practice of taking substances or drugs to treat some symptoms of illnesses. It could be emotional illnesses or physical illnesses and so on and so forth, without the prescription of a doctor. That is, you are treating yourself outside a doctor's medical advice. That is what self-medication is all about. Now, it is very dangerous if you self-medicate. I'll be giving you some reasons why self-medication is very detrimental to your health. One of which is that you may take the wrong medicine in the process of trying to treat whatever you are feeling. You may take the wrong medicine because, one, you are not a medical worker. Two, you didn't even go through any laboratory test to know what is wrong with you, and you just, boom, you get to the pharmacy, you buy a drug, and you start taking. It is very bad. And when you take wrong medications, you are putting your health at risk of so many complications. Now, another thing is that you may take too much or too little of the medicine. Sometimes because you self-medicate, you are not a pharmacist, you are not a doctor, you are not even into any medical field, and you just buy drugs. You don't even know the correct dosage to use or the correct milligram to use, and you just start taking medicines and taking medicines. It's very bad. If you take too much of it, which we call overdose, it could even lead to death. So you need to avoid self-medicating so that you don't put your health at risk. Another thing is that you may even end up taking drugs which are not meant to be taken together. In medicine, there are some drugs which a patient or a person shouldn't take together at once. If you are not a medical worker, if you are not a doctor, you are not even related to pharmacy or at all, and you just go out there to buy medicines. You say, mix this one up, and everything together you put into your system. You are trying to, in fact, to jeopardize your health. If you mix some of these drugs, there is something we call drug interactions. If you take drugs that are not meant to be taken together, it could affect your body system negatively. So you need to avoid self-medication. The next one here is that self-medication can even lead to organ damage. There is a way you keep self-medicating. Before you know it, your liver starts to have issues, or your kidney, or even your brain. Some of these substances, some of these drugs can even affect your brain when you use them excessively. So it is very dangerous. Then another consequence of self-medication is addiction. And that is why you see so many people end up in the psychiatric hospital, because they get addicted to some substances or to some drugs. These drugs that they take, as they take it, they begin to gain tolerance to it. They keep increasing and taking it. The day they don't take it, it becomes a big problem. That is one of the symptoms of addiction. And addiction can even lead to relapse. You will find it difficult to get out of it until you consult the right health facility that can help you out of this addiction. Then another thing is that this drug self-medication can also mask the symptoms you are feeling. some of these symptoms you are feeling, you self-medicate. Sometimes it will mask it. It's as if you are feeling better, and it is a lie. You are delaying your diagnosis and also making it hard for a doctor to effectively treat you of whatever you are having. So you need to avoid self-medication. Whenever you are sick or whenever you are feeling sick, the best thing to do is to go to the hospital. In the hospital, they will ask you to go through some tests. The doctor will recommend the test you should go for in the laboratory. Maybe it's either your blood test, or if they require your stool, or they require your sputum, or whatsoever sample they request of you to find out what is wrong with you. The major thing about treatment is getting to know what is the issue or what is a causative agent. So you need to go to the hospital. That is the right place to go. Do not self-medicate. Self-medication is deadly and very risky for your health. This is where I'm going to stop today. Next time, I'll be coming up with another special topic that would also interest you. So stay glued to this YouTube channel and keep following me. And I also urge us to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'll be bringing to you important health tips that would help you and your health. See you next time. Bye bye.